We're at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus, would you? We're at Rules of Differentiation. Looking at all the rules, you know, the product rule, quotient rule, and all that. 7.2. Hey, look, it came right up. Write that down. Somebody remember that. Y is equal to secant x. We want to take the derivative. Take the derivative. Let's go to the board. So we got y is equal to secant x, and we want to find y prime. That's the goal. Let's find y prime. Yes, secant. Okay. Now, there's something that we must commit to memory, and that is that if, what do we want to say? Y over here, another y? I don't know, we'll say y1. If this was equal to cosine x, let's say, then y prime 1 is equal to negative sine x. So we have to commit this to memory. Now, you should know that this is actually can be written as 1 over cosine x. 1 over cosine x. And by knowing this, we can now take, or actually by knowing this I should say, we could take the derivative of this. Now, I highly suggest, since there's just a constant up here, we'd use the quotient rule is what we would use. But since there's just a constant up in the numerator, let's take cosine x, and instead of writing -1 right here, we're just going to put the whole thing in parentheses and put the -1 up here. How's that? Okay, so we haven't taken the derivative yet. Alright, now let's go ahead and take the derivative. So we take the -1, we bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and we take this is really kind of the chain rule here. We take the derivative of the inside, well, it's the general power rule, really. Actually, this is the general power rule. And then take the derivative of the inside and bring it out. Now, the derivative of cosine is negative sine x. Okay, so we could say y prime now. We could say that. Now, let's rewrite this thing. So we have a negative and a negative. That's going to become a positive. All right. And then this is all over cosine. And I'm going to actually write the 2 here. That's the more traditional way of doing that. But this can actually be rewritten as sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine x, because you will find when we see the derivative of what we were doing earlier, secant x, you will see that this is the way it's going to end up being written. So sine x over cosine x is tan x, and then this can be rewritten as secant x. Alright, there's the logic. Y prime. That's it, answer there. So tan x times secant x. So if you can remember that y is equal to secant x, if you can memorize that, that's really the best way to do that. But if not, you know the logic on how to get there. Okay, hey, I shall see you there. Bye.